Hello and welcome to Visa Center channel. Today's subject is how to get a Russian police clearance while applying from Canada or the USA. Need a Russian police clearance certificate, but you live in Canada or the US? No clue where to start and not planning a trip back to Russia just for a piece of paper? You're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it remotely, reliably, and without bureaucratic headache. Hi, I'm Alex Selivanov, founder of Visa Center here in Toronto. With decades of global experience in diplomacy, visas, and legal documents, I help Canadians navigate complex international paperwork with confidence and zero stress. If you need a power of attorney, a visa, or just solid advice on global travel bureaucracy, you're in the right place. This certificate, also known as a criminal record check, is often required for immigration, visas, or even new job offers. But when it involves Russia and you're no longer living there, the process can feel like a dead end. But don't worry, there's a smart way to do this from right here in North America. We have prepared a short explanatory video on how to get a Russian police clearance certificate from Canada or the USA with minimal effort. Enjoy watching it. And if you need one, let us know. You may find all contact information in the description under this video.
If you've ever lived in Russia for more than a few months, Canadian or U.S. immigration authorities might ask you for your Russian police clearance. That includes former citizens, students, expats, or even tourists with long stays. Getting this certificate usually requires being in Russia or working through Russian consulates, which often simply don't process these requests or delay the process beyond the deadline you have from the immigration authorities. And let's be honest, nobody wants to deal with Russian consulate bureaucracy or fly to Moscow for just one document. Luckily, there's a remote solution Visa Center, a Canada-based service provider, that can get your police clearance from Russia without you lifting more than a finger. Okay, so here's how it works. Before you apply, you should check a few things. Does the requesting authority need an apostille? Do they need a certified English translation? And is the certificate actually valid for your purpose? Some authorities, want it issued within the last 3 months. With your application, you'll need to provide the following documents: a clear copy of your passport's main page, your exact place of birth, any previous names you've used, your current citizenship, and the dates and cities of your stay in Russia. The more accurate your info, the faster they can process it. Alright, here's what you need to do. First, contact Visa Center, either by phone at 416-979-4626, or just head over to their website. Next, you'll want to submit your documents, usually by email or through their secure upload system. After that, pay the service fee, which is $595. If you need it fast, don't forget to ask about expedited processing. It might be available for an extra fee. Also, if you need a certified English translation, that's an additional $50. Finally, decide how you want your documents delivered. You can pick them up yourself or choose courier delivery, which starts at $45. If you're planning to use this document for official purposes in Canada or the United States, you might need it apostille. So, it's a good idea to just ask directly if that's something you'll need. Honestly, getting a Russian police clearance from abroad doesn't have to be a nightmare. Just use a reputable service, get your documents ready, and make sure to ask the right questions up front. If this video helped you out, hit like, and subscribe for more no-nonsense advice on international documents and visas. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or visit Visa Center website. We help clients across Canada and the United States with Russian documents every single day.